All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Reeboks, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to Commercial by Lil Baby and Lil Uzi. And man, this song is fire. Definitely one of my favorite songs off of the album that Lil Baby dropped. It's already, I think, 2 times plat now, which is crazy in like a year. Definitely one of the best albums of this year. Not my favorite though. You guys probably already know what my favorite is. But yeah, go check out the song. Amazing album. And let's actually get into the shoes. Okay, so today we're taking a look at a pair of Reeboks. We got the Iverson and James Harden logo. And it's kind of weird to see this collab because Iverson is with Reebok, obviously. And James Harden is with Adidas. But in case you guys did not know, Adidas does own Reebok, so it's kind of like how Nike owns Converse. Same thing, you know. I got a size 9, and retail was actually, doesn't say here, but it was $150. I haven't seen these yet, but I'm really excited. I haven't really seen too many people talk about it. Oh, and as you can see, the Adidas logo. And yeah, let's actually open this shoe up. There's actually some numbers and stuff up there. Not sure what that is. Oh, it's the box measurements. I'm dumb. Anyways, James Harden, Iverson logo. And man, these are clean. And oh shit, I could actually smell these already. And that's not a bad thing. You know when you have like that new shoe smell? That's what these smell like. And that's a very, very good thing. These smell really good. And just spinning them around, these are so nice. There's the James Harden logo. And I don't know if you guys can tell, it's not 100% straight. That's kind of annoying me, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me actually get into the review. Leather quality, bro, quality is so good on these. This leather is really soft. I actually did not expect that. The sock liner too, really nice and soft. These shoes are actually made for basketball, but I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you're gonna like hoop in these, your feet are gonna be sweating. Like, the leather quality is so good, and the inside, I could see this getting really, really hot on the inside. I'm not even gonna lie. So if you're gonna like wear these to like hoop in them, be prepared, because your feet are gonna sweat. And let's keep spinning them around. In case you guys didn't know, right here it says Reebok. You can't really see it because they made it the same color as like the red and like the black, which is weird, but it does say Reebok. And I have seen a couple videos on these, not by anybody like big. I don't think any big YouTubers really talked about it, which is weird. On the inside it says Harden, and I don't know if you guys can see that the A is kind of messed up on this pair, so I could see like the quality control isn't the greatest. Like, look, even mine, like I haven't worn, I legit have not seen this before the video. I actually got these like a week or 2 ago, and they look like they've been tried on or worn. That's kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. I got these from Foot Locker. I bought these and another pair of Reeboks, which I'm gonna have a review coming of those soon. But they actually messed up my order and didn't give me them. It's a long story, but yeah, you guys will see those in the next week or whatever. But yeah, quality control on this shoe is not great, if I'm being honest. Look, haven't worn them. They have a little crease right there. It has like some yellow thing. It's probably like glue or something, but yeah, quality control is not amazing, but quality, super nice leather. I'm not even gonna cut, man. Super nice. I even like how they did like a little like red part right here. That's really nice. It's only on the inside. This shoe is amazing. It really is. Let me show you guys. Oh, bro. Let me show you guys the bottom. This is gonna get really dirty. Also, in case you guys did not know, the technology that they use is actually only right there. This is actually only for looks. I don't know. Not a lot of people know that. But yeah, there's actually kind of like the air bubble or whatever. But yeah, that really isn't anything. It's just for looks. That's where all the technology is. And bro, I don't know if you can see it. These are definitely worn or tried on because, bro, look at how dirty they are. That's crazy. I'll see what I can do about that later. But just looking at the shoe and like putting that thing aside, these are so nice. I'm really happy I was able to pick these up. Again, it was 150. I believe I paid 170 or 160, around there. in that price range for them after tax and shipping, obviously. And these are super clean, man. Looking at the laces, nice black and red. Anything on the aglets? No, I don't see anything. But yeah, these are super clean. Super clean. I can't even say enough about the quality. The quality is so good. I'm actually genuinely surprised. I've actually never owned another pair of Reeboks, and I actually just picked these up because I really like them. And I'm surprised, man. The quality is so nice. Let me actually... Yeah, even like the tongue, the leather quality is so good. And I did see a lot of people saying that about this shoe, like in their videos, that the quality is really good. And see, look, even like my tongue is like kind of messed up, but like the quality, man. For $150, maybe $170 after tax and shipping, you can't go wrong. I think these look so nice. I've always liked Iverson shoe, so these are just amazing. I believe these are the mids. I believe I did order a pair of lows, which cuts off right here in case you guys didn't know. So I believe these are the mids. Also on the inside, let me show you guys the insole. It just says Reebok. It's just all red, nothing crazy. Show you guys the tag one more time. And yeah, let me actually show you guys these shoes on feet. Okay, so looking at these on feet, they look really bulky. I did not expect that. Again, I've never bought like another pair of Iversons before other than this pair. Yeah, they're really bulky, and I don't know if it's just like me. Like, do they look extremely bulky on me? I don't know. But yeah, they look really bulky. But other than that, they look really nice. I like how they look. My sister actually didn't like them. I showed them, and she like, I don't know, she just doesn't like Reebok shoes, but these are super clean, man. Just walk around with them. Like the bottom, like this part right here is gonna have lines through it. If you wear them a couple times, it might even have lines that I wore them now. But yeah, just so you guys know that, let me spin the camera around and show you guys. These shoes are super clean, man. I'm so happy I was able to pick these up. They didn't sell out. I did see like, I think a size 7 sell out on Foot Locker. But yeah, most of the sizes are still there. But yeah, these shoes are super dope. Definitely a really good pickup. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the tags, but nothing crazy, just Reebok. Bought these from Foot Locker. Oh, that's like an Adidas tag. But yeah, these shoes are really dope. Let me know what you guys think about them. Did you guys pick them up? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. I think they're super dope. A lot of people really slept on these. Let me know if you guys are gonna pick them up or if you guys want them, or I don't know, just let me know what you guys think about the shoes. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.